Shaini Ekadashi, sleeping 11th or Maha Ekadashi, the great 11th or Prathama Ekadashi, the first 11th or Padma Ekadashi or Devshaini Ekadashi or Devpodi Ekadashi is the 11th lunar day, Ekadashi of the bright fortnight, Shukla Paksha of the Hindu month of Ashada in June-July. Thus it is also known as Ashadi Ekadashi or Ashadi. It is known as Toli Ekadashi in Telugu. This holy day is of special significance to Vaishnavas, followers of the Hindu protector god Lord Vishnu. On this day, images of Vishnu and Lakshmi are worshipped. The entire night is spent singing prayers, and devotees keep fast and take vows on this day, to be observed during the entire Chaturmas, the holy 4-month period of rainy season. These may include giving up a food item or fasting on every Ekadashi day. It is believed that Vishnu falls asleep in Kshir Sagar, cosmic ocean of milk, on Sheshanaga, the cosmic serpent. Thus, the day is also called Devshaini Ekadashi, God sleeping 11th, or Hari Shaini Ekadashi, Vishnu sleeping 11th, or Shayana Ekadashi. Vishnu finally awakens from his slumber 4 months later on Prabodhani Ekadashi, 11th day of bright fortnight in the Hindu month Kartik. Thus, Shaini Ekadashi is the beginning of Chaturmas. Devotees start observing the Chaturmas Vrata to please Vishnu on this day. A fast is observed on Shaini Ekadashi. The fast demands abstinence from all grains, beans, cereals, certain vegetables like onions, and certain spices. In the scripture Bhavishyotara Purana, God Krishna narrates significance of Shaini Ekadashi to Yudhishthira, as the creator god Brahma narrated the significance to his son Narada once. The story of King Mandata is narrated in this context. The pious king's country had faced drought for 3 years, but the king was unable to find a solution to please the rain gods. Finally, sage Angiras advised the king to observe the Vrata of Devshaini Ekadashi. On doing so, by the grace of Vishnu, there was rain in the kingdom. This day, a huge yatra or religious procession of pilgrims known as Pandharpur Ashadi Ekadashi Vari Yatra culminates at Pandharpur in Solapur district in South Maharashtra, situated on the banks of the Chandrabhaga river. Pandharpur is main center of worship of the deity Vitthal, a local form of Vishnu. Lakhs of pilgrims come to Pandharpur on this day from different parts of Maharashtra. Some of them carry palkis with the images of the saints of Maharashtra. Dhyaneshwar's image is carried from Alandi. Namdev's image from Narsi Namdev. Tukaram's from Dehu, Eknath's from Paitan, Nivrutinath's from Trayambakeshwar, Muktabai's from Muktinagar, Sopan's from Saswad, and Saint Gajanan Maharaj from Shegaon. These pilgrims are referred to as Varkaris. They sing chanting hymns of Saint Tukaram and Saint Dhyaneshwar dedicated to Vitthal Big Test. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya.